So, hello and good morning, everyone. We are going to talk about waste segregation today. Subject EVM, teacher Femin Ma'am, grade 7SG Team Alpha by Kashvi Saiba Bari, Kriti Abu Bakr Ali Abhiman Avril Ridhima and Shubhangi. What is waste? Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use or is worthless. What are different types of waste? Organic waste, biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste, solid waste, biomedical waste,
hazardous waste,
gaseous waste, liquid waste, chemical waste, recyclable waste, and etc. What is waste segregation? Waste segregation is grouping of waste into different categories. Segregation of waste ensures pure quality of materials. Importance of waste segregation. Waste segregation is important as it makes the process of recycling easier. Separation of waste is important as hazardous waste requires special handling. How can we segregate waste? Proper waste disposal and management can be done by applying the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing means lessening the amount of garbage produced. Reusing refers to using material more than once, while recycling means creating new material or product out of garbage. What will happen if we don't segregate waste? Firstly, non segregated waste adversely affects human health by giving rise to different infections and diseases. Secondly, it reduces the chance of recycling the waste. Benefits of waste segregation. Effective segregation of wastes means that less waste goes to landfill, which makes it cheaper and better for people and the environment.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Three words we need to know. Reduce the garbage, reuse the old. Recycling's the way to go.
There's the easy stuff like paper, cans, and glass. But more should be recycled, like what you asked.
From the car, there is tires, fabric, and oil. Add these to your list, and the earth you will not spoil.
So, before you throw anything away, ask yourself, can this be recycled one day?
Sure.
Support. Waste. It was a windy afternoon when a group of friends decided to visit the museum. Let's see what happened there.
Wow, those chocolate chip cookies, chips, and sodas were really. What should I do with this can? Meh, I don't think anyone will notice.
Oh, I wish I were thrown into the dustbin and segregated. What these awful humans. I wish they must have at least followed the 3 hours.
Do you know what time will we be leaving the museum? Wait, I don't know, but what is this trash doing here?
Oh no, trash again?
Not only the wrappers, but the crumbs too. Stella, did you throw these?
My God, Stella, is this true? Because it's not a good thing to do.
Well, yes. So what? It's just waste. It's not like it's useful anymore.
Really? You think it's just waste?
And that's where you are wrong. Waste can be useful too. Change your perspective. Give the crumbs to the ants, recycle and make something so useful like a pencil stand out of the can. And if not something possible out of the wrapper, then at least throw it in the bin or.
Or I can just buy a pencil stand, and why should I care about those filthy little creatures called ants?
Not ants, then at least think about Mother Earth because she cares about you. You can buy a glass soda bottle instead of an aluminum can.
Why should I buy glass bottles when soda cans are so much lighter and portable? And also, glass bottles are so expensive, totally off price.
Okay, so you are trying to say that you would prefer buying a pencil stand instead of making one, which will save both money and natural resources. But you won't buy a glass soda bottle, which is cheaper than the stand and at the same time is reusable.
What do you mean?
See, doesn't have common sense? Senseless.
What she means is that you want to buy things when you are recycling them and you're not ready to understand that by spending some money you can save the nature. Use your resources wisely.
We are trying to explain you that you should maintain sustainability while using your own and the earth's resources. Don't just waste them.
What do you mean? You think I should waste my money on growing plants when would you buying bags and clothes every day? As if.
If you do this, you ensure one more month of your life and the ones who will come after you.
Yes,
Exactly.
Yes.
And obviously, you care about the world.
of course she does.
I guess.
In मैडम जी का लॉल हो गया.
Let me tell you what is waste segregation so that you can change your perspective. Waste management are the activities and actions required to manage waste from its inception to its disposal. This includes the collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal of the waste, together with monitoring and regulation of the waste management process. And for this to work and for us to save the world, we need to segregate waste.
Waste segregation means dividing waste into dry and wet. Dry waste includes wood, metal, and glass. Wet waste typically refers to organic waste, usually generated by eating establishments and are heavy in weight due to dampness.
What is the importance of waste segregation?
If you're not going to segregate waste properly, then it will all mixed up in the landfills, just like how they are mixed up in your bin. If these wastes are segregated properly, then the risk of cuts of bruises that rat pickers and grab collectors may experience will be avoided. There will be less chance of diseases and less air pollution.
Oh, now I understand how important this really is. I am so sorry. I never thought that just by spreading trash, I was hurting the world so much. I think that we should clean the museum and segregate the waste zone. What do you guys think?
Yes.
Sure,
Of course.
why not? Let's go.
Let's go.
Finally, it feels so good to be home at last. Even to that, I am separated from my friend, and I am at least segregated and at my original home, the dustbin.
Look around. There's so much plastic. Let's recycle and feel fantastic. We will make sure we will never litter. We can do this. We know you're not a quitter. Reduce, reuse, recycle. This is for the sake of our survival. Or else the world will be dull and destroyed will be its title. Everyone will start writing their will instead of thinking like a creative individual. So start a commitment to spread a few words of encouragement. Because we do have the equipment, the nature is losing its lovely pigment. Don't just stand there and make a statement, instead of acting like a broken pavement.
Come on, come on. I know we can change it always for the better. After all, change is always not a bad thing. We gotta do it now. So start by potting a plant, then go on by using the 3 R's. We have the time, has to be now, cause why wait around? When you can stand and a revolution now. I have faith in and so does Mother Earth. So come on and shower it with some respect and love.
So let's begin with waste segregation to have a better situation. So spread the information. Start with Kanpur as the prime location. So get some new motivation. Did anybody notice this was all talking about education? We have to work on this operation, which will soon turn into an organization. Make this idea need some advertisement for it to reach every nation. Spread this information to every generation, as this is all based on our imagination.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.